Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a LG brand washing machine and it's giving you a dE1 error code and you're wondering what this error code is and how do you get rid of it. And if you do this, if you have this error, your washing machine is not going to be working, so you're going to need to get it sorted out. Because basically this means that the machine senses that the door is not shut properly. So the first thing to do to fix this is just try open and close your door and get like a nice, don't slam it, but just kind of give it a nice snug, like firm close. See if that clears it out. And when you do that, you can also just kind of check, is there like a piece of clothing? Did you put clothes in there and something flopped out? And now you're like trying to close the door and it looks closed, but there's actually a piece of clothing pinched there and it's not closed completely. And you know, if that doesn't do it, you can check the mechanism around here, make sure there's nothing physically preventing the latches from working and everything like that. And then finally, just try resetting your machine, so disconnecting it from power for like a few minutes, actually unplugging it from the wall or turning it off at the breaker, turning it back on. And then that should, hopefully one of those things will fix it. If none of that fixes it at that point, I would recommend you call a technician because you might need something replaced in the latch or the wiring or the control board or something like that. But anyways, hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.